Penis enlargement is a popular topic that is ever increasing. Thousands of men feel inadequate when it comes to penis size, and often try many methods, devices, pills, and exercises in the hope of enlarging their penis. For the majority of men, the idea of gaining an increase in girth size is the most important part of penis enlargement, as it can complement length gain and adds greater sexual pleasure for both men and women. The fact is though that nearly all men do not know how to make penis bigger. Whereas there are many methods to try to enlarge the penis, from stretchers to pumps, to pills, to exercises, the best results for 99% of men will come from a combination of using proven exercises and a clinically proven stretching device. Another method that can also help when used with these two methods is jelqing. Achieving penis enlargement isn't an overnight thing, despite what you may read by some company offering a miracle penis enlargement pill or penis pump. However, for those that wonder whether they can actually achieve a larger penis, the answer is yes, as long as you stick to the exercises and use a traction device from a medically backed system. There is no doubt in this, but it is important to not jump from one "how to make penis bigger in 1 week" scam program to the next. As soon as you've decided you want a bigger penis, you have to dedicate yourself to doing the exercises and using the traction device. Stick to the system and you will achieve considerable increases in penis length and girth. Penis enlargement can not only improve your confidence in the bedroom and when around women, but it can also help boost self-esteem in day-to-day life. If you constantly think that you want to improve your confidence, naturally enlarge penis size, and help control premature ejaculations, then you owe it to yourself to try a proven system, which I will show you later on. Penis enlargement is a subject that comes with a lot of skepticism because of the many scams that surround male enhancement, and some of the devices do seem a little far-fetched, penis pumps for example. Traction devices though are safe and do work, although not all will provide an increase in girth. This is why it is important to choose a superior device that will provide returns in both penis length and girth.